Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced Compatibility warning. That means that your graphics card is not up to date, that you don't have the latest and greatest drivers. So here's what you want to do. Go to search, type in device manager. In device manager, you want to look for display adapters. And now here, copy this. For me, it's RTX 3090. Now you want to open a new Chrome tab and type in RTX 3090 or whatever it says for you, and then type in driver and click here the first link for me and click accept here, and now type in the driver again or the graphics card, so 3090. Now find the Windows version. For me it's 11. Now click find. Now there will be two types of drivers, the game ready drivers and studio drivers. For me, I'll get the game ready drivers. If you don't have the NVIDIA app, you can download it and then install the drivers through that, or simply just download from here and install it. I'll show you now through the NVIDIA app. So you want to open the NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and then simply click download and it will install the drivers. While you're at here, you want to go to settings, disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on, go to system, disable the G-Sync if you have it on, you want to turn it off, and after you install the driver, you want to restart your PC. After you restart your PC, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced Compatibility warning. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.